Yeah, the Gonzo book in the house.
Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's downstairs watching TV. And today, I got another package from
Dodecahedron.
And let's see what I got today. I ordered the DianSheng Giant 3x3 18.8 centimeter stickerless. And then I got the YJ Megaminx V2. I didn't have the V2, so I wanted to just compare them. So I got that one. Alright, let's open up this big box. Semi-big. Always be careful when you're unboxing.
Dodecahedron.
Got a little smashed. But that's fine, as long as the product inside is not smashed. And let me open that up first. Here's the box right here. YJ. There it goes, in plastic. The instructions, let's see if it's in English. Part of it's in English, but most of it is just illustrations. So, it's usable. I'm not going to keep the box because it's all broken up. It's in plastic. Let's see. Ooh, feels good. Let me see. Let's see if it has any split. Yeah, it does. Yeah. That one's split. So what you do is just squeeze it, and it should snap into shape. Yep. So you just have to inspect it to make sure it's. If you see anything out, it comes loose during travel, I guess. It didn't help when the box was all, I like the feel of it. It feels good. That first turn is rough, though. But I think with a little bit of lube, yeah, it definitely needs lube. But I think with a little bit of lube, I think it's going to be okay. Yeah. I got this one not too long ago, and this one is the ball core something maglev, I think it is. And then this one is good. The other one was just magnetic, I think. I didn't like that at all, but this one is great. I'll put the information here so you know exactly what I got. But this one is great. I gave this one a 5 out of 5. And then this one's not too bad. I like that one better, but yeah, I don't mind this. I don't think it would ever be my main because I had the gang UV Megaminx. And that one, the gang one, doesn't even have a name. I think it's just called Maglev. Yeah, this one definitely needs lubing, but after that I think it'd be A-okay. So it's not too bad. Yeah, I don't mind this one at all. It looks like it's bigger though. Oh yeah, that thing's huge compared to. Oh yeah, much bigger. I don't know if you can see that. Can you? Yeah. $13.99. So yeah. I think for $13.99, I think this is pretty good puzzle. I feel, I hear like a spring. Yeah, so I'm not pleased with that, but okay, this one, no. Nothing elaborate, it just has a screw. So you can adjust it a little bit, but do it like a half a turn at a time just to see it. So if it's too much, then you can just go back a half a turn. So I'm going to say it's a good beginner's Megaminx puzzle. So if you're not 100% sure you're going to be vested, you can get this one, try it out, and if you like it, you can always invest in something a little bit more better, than this one. Like its sister right here, the V2. This is the V2. This is the V3. This one is outstanding. I like it. I didn't like the other one, but this one is nice. So I like it for the price. I think it's pretty good. When did I make my Roman Dodecahedron? That is my Gonzo Dodeca. I lose it pretty good. He can't even. Got me a Marlin. This is pretty smooth for being one of those cheaper, Megamixes with the sticker on it. And I needed the one with the sticker because I needed to take the center caps off, and I put mirrors here. And I took out all of these, made that black, made that mirror, all mirror, and I made this all mirror. So I got two sides that are mirror. They're not the same because they all have different edges, different color. So that's my Gonzo Dodeca, in case you forgot that I make this. And I also sell this on my Etsy store. Kind of expensive because it takes me a while to actually build it. But if you want one, you can grab one. And this one I made with a little bit of like a rustic look. Because it's supposed to be like an artifact. The Roman Dodecahedron was buried, and when they unearthed it, they it was dirty and stuff like that. So I kind of made this a stress. And then I have the black version. This one doesn't have the same colors as the regular Megamix. It just has the black, no centers, and then the balls are black. This is the black one, black mirror. This is what I call the black mirror. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, that's smooth too. Yeah. When you lube it, these things are actually pretty neat. That's how that looks. So I got that one for sale too. Now I got the DianSheng Giant 3x3, 18.8 centimeters. And it came with this nice box, which you can reuse the box, of course. So I kind of like that it came in a box like this. You can put some stuff in there and reuse it. So when you open it up, you got to be careful. Let's see if it's got tape on it. Comes with instructions. Let's see if it's all Chinese or not. This one looks like it's all Chinese. Yep. Open it from the bottom, but it's fine. Nice. The box actually is pretty nice. Alright, here it goes. I wanted a big Rubik's Cube, but I didn't want to get the real big one. I was going to get that one for like 150, and I almost pulled the trigger on it, and I was like, let me try this one. This one was a big one, but not as big. The other one, I think it's 30-some centimeters. If I remember, I'll put the information here for the big one in case you're interested in it. Oh, this is smooth. Nice. Let me put that down so you guys can see it.
your turns with Dodecahedron. This is not the speaking. This is a thinking puzzle. This is not the speaking. This is a thinking puzzle. The art of solving. I'm bringing heat, crafting puzzles that you just can't beat. With geometric magic, let your mind unwind. Gonzo Dodeca, one of a kind. So refined, twist it, turn it, let the patterns flow. Unlock the mystery of what I sow. This is how I make my Gonzo Dodeca shine. With every twist and turn, it's a puzzle divine. From the past to the now, it's a unique tale. A handcrafted journey where creators prevail. Handmade with passion, each piece of delight. From ancient roots to the modern life. Speed Kubas gather, let the challenge rise. This puzzle speaks to the heart and the wise. A conversation starter, on display it stands. Whispers of history crafted by my hands. This is how I make my Gonzo Dodeca shine. With every twist and turn, it's a puzzle divine. From the past to the now, it's a unique tale. A handcrafted journey where creators prevail. So here's to the craft, to the bond that we share. Gonzo Dodeca, a legacy we declare. In the art of solving, yeah, I'm bringing heat.
All right, that was fun to do. I did it. Probably quicker than I did a 3x3, a regular 3x3. So I needed this to practice my moves, and then I was okay with that. So there goes. That's the. So I'm just gonna put this on display somewhere. I'm not sure where though. Put it right there. I'm not sure where to put the box at. Yeah, I'm a big fan of the box. It's cool. Put it right here for now. Just displayed right there. And I got the box up there. Yeah. My I'm getting a retro Megaminx. It's he just mailed it out, so I should get it when I'm in North Carolina, when I'm at the NAC 26, and I'll just get it when I get home. So that's my Tommy pyramid, and that's my Rubik's Cube, 1980 Rubik's Cube. And then that's just the 50th anniversary one, retro one. And the receipt. So I got the receipt, I got everything. Get rid of this box, and I'm done. So that's what I got. This is a big Megaminx. I'm starting to like it more and more, but I know when I lube it, it's gonna be perfect. Cool. It's gonna be perfect. So that's all I have. If you have any questions, comment down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Last night, you were saying don't want no Fisher Price, Milton Bradley or Tonka. What I need to do to you? What does box say? Carabunga. Don't want no light bright. Don't even want a kite. Don't want no game of perfection. Don't want your love or affection. Wait, what? That was mom last night. Dad, where's my toys at? Where my toys at?